Welcome to Jason's Crazy Gameplays. I'm Jason and today we are going sledding.
You did it. Where are they? I want to try to pass down. Here's Mom and Jason. They're setting up to go down the super slick fast path.
Ready?
There they go. Good luck, guys. It's scary. Oh my God, there they go. Here we go. Me and Jason, round 2 of the super slick path. Super fast track. Here we go.
She wants to go down again too.
You're gonna go too? Hi.
I'm gonna wait till you guys are down there first now.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Boy.
I can't see where we're going.
I know. See, that's what happened to Jeff. Let me see. That's what happened. Woo! Woo! You're doing it! Look at you! All right. Good job. All right, here we go. This time it's Jackie's turn down the super slick fast path. Here we go. Here we go. There's Mom recording us. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa! 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 Oh! We got snow everywhere. Oh no! Right in your face.
That was us going sledding. See you next week and peace.